There are four main components of the Community Engagement Services Department here at the Seattle Public Library. We do outreach, and that includes mobile services. We have disability services, which happens throughout the system. We do large-scale programming, so that's author programming, arts and social justice programming, and then also services to people experiencing homelessness. A common theme throughout is that we're all thinking about equity all the time. Even in our author programs, we are working hard to ensure that the people that we put on stage are people of color, are people in our community who don't feel a sense of ownership at the library, and I think we're making huge impacts by doing that. We do sort of a full range of programming around folks experiencing homelessness. We provide services directly to people experiencing homelessness. We do panel discussions and conversations that raise awareness around the community about homelessness. In those programs, we always try to platform the voices of people with lived experience. We have a partnership with a local social service agency to have a social worker and a case manager here on site at the library providing information and referral services on housing and all sorts of social service needs. Our outreach program manager in my department coordinates staff around the system to visit the 8 city-sanctioned homeless encampments. Staff bring library resources and hotspots out. We've even started doing some programming on site at the encampments. And this has been really meaningful, and we've been able to develop some important partnerships out of it. And it most recently culminated in the library installing permanent hotspots in each of those encampments so that residents are able to have a reliable source of internet in their encampment. Something that's really important in our department is finding ways of bringing community into our programming so that they are at the table doing the curation along with us. We've partnered with a number of small community-based nonprofits that are run by people of color, where the community-based nonprofit is identifying what the project is, and our staff are learning from them and creating some sort of program or activity that's very much building on the strengths and skills of the library, but designed by the community. We've learned a lot from that process, and I know we'll continue to do more of that.